My brothers and sisters, here I want to submit some very important observations of mine on COVID as it is expanding day by day. Basically, we should not talk about COVID only. If we talk about all human beings on the earth, why we should not talk about all mosquitoes on the earth? Why we should not talk about all bacteria, viruses, funguses on the earth? This is very selfish behavior of human. They will talk of themselves only. They will never think around and they will never try to analyze. Might be corona is due to mosquito bite. Might be corona is due to our uncleaned buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is means हमारा गला, हमारा कंठ. COVID might be due to our nose, nasal mucosa, which is always nowadays you finger in your nose, you find it dry, very dry. Same way you find your throat dry, very dry. Moreover, very few people they know our body mala. Mala means waste, which is to be thrown out of body is called mala. In broad words we can name as if urine, as if stool, potty. Our nails are mala, our hairs are mala. Same way, there is one very important mala that is named cough. Only due to cough we find wetting in the mouth. That's why we can speak. If our mouth is completely dry, we cannot speak. If our eyes are completely dry, we cannot move our eyelid. So, COVID might be due to mosquito bite and COVID might be due to dryness prevailing on the earth and dryness prevailing increasing day by day in our body. In my medical practice for last 30 years, I have minutely observed now people either they are not consuming water in a sufficient quantity with a specific interval. Their way of drinking water has changed. Their carelessness about the temperature of water which they are drinking, that has also changed. Their choice has changed. They want cool, chill water. They love chill. They want to love in chill. They want to drink chill. And this chill can never make them wet. We know when AC operates, air starts drying up, moisture starts reducing as time passes. AC operations are such, then we find dry chill air. So there are so many reasons we are not able to fight with COVID. One session is not sufficient for me to let you know what we should do. At present, in today's session, I am only highlighting what can be the reasons of our immune system weakness. Our immune is dropping day by day. What can be the reasons? Today I am focusing only on that and trying to submit my observations. It is not authentic research of any Nobel Prize winner, please excuse me. It is my personal observations, findings, and which I am submitting it to you. You can minutely observe. Nowadays we enter home. In old ancient days, Indian culture, we are being taught when you enter your home, you wash your hands up to elbow, not with soap, with plain water. You wash your legs below knee. You wash your face. That is more wetting, less washing. Wetting. You are wetting your legs, you are wetting your hands, you are wetting your eyes, face. So wetting. It was practiced. In ancient days by our dadis, nanis, dadas, nanas, all is being left away. Now washing means soap.
Sorry, washing means?
Soap. Sabun is symbol of washing, which is very hazardous. If we apply it once in a day, but we are being taught only and only Lifebuoy can take away all kind of bacteria and viruses. We are being taught. So we cannot feel satisfied without using Lifebuoy. The word Lifebuoy means soap. Like that, we are being taught everything so hazardous to our body It is so lengthy chapter, non-ending. It can never be summed up in little time frame of work. So I have given you a glimpse, and I successfully made a way of my family, my life, how we can fight with such conditions and situations. 25 years back, I decided I will never listen to any ad, any advertisement being thrown to my head through media in whatever ways, TVs, hoardings or XYZ. I will not at all listen and look on to that. Far away to think to buy them. So we avoid all confectionaries, we avoid all kind of cosmetics items. Rather, I prefer living in such a way as I am living in some remote, small, very small village area, having 2, 3, 4, 5 huts only. That's all. I lived in such a mental framework. That's why I could visualize major flaws, culprits, blunders of human beings. They are creating their own life hell with their affinities towards taste, their eating habits. They don't know eating is not a maja. Eating is भूख को शांत करना, to win over our hunger, we need eating. They took it as a maja, and whole of the society is following the same pattern. They eat 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times in a day, and then they say, now it has become their habit of alcohol, habit of anything, habit of eating. We can win by forcing our system and letting it cry. Letting it cry. Only then we can win. नहीं नहीं, मैं क्या करूं, मुझे तो भूख बहुत लगती है. नहीं नहीं, मैं तो खाऊंगा या खाऊंगी नहीं तो मैं तो मर जाऊंगा. ऐसा भाव रखने, such people cannot win any kind of bad habit of their life. So there are much more reasons we are suffering. At present we are suffering with COVID. We may get some other kind of bacteria or virus or fungus to fight with. It is alarming situation all over the world. No medicine, no system can save you. Ayurveda may help you, but Ayurveda is not taking medicines. Ayurveda is ahara vihara. हम क्या खाते हैं, कैसे खाते हैं,
Food habits.
हम कैसे जीते हैं, क्या पहनते हैं, हम कब सोते हैं, हम सेक्स के बारे में कितने समझदार हैं, हम अपने बिस्तर के बारे में कितने समझदार हैं. You all are invited, you come to my home. You will find my pillows, my bed. You will find cotton, my cushion. हम तो गद्दा बोलते हैं, बहुत कोशिश की, क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग, मैट्रेस. माई मैट्रेस इज़ ऑफ कॉटन. इवन नाउ माई मैट्रेस इज़ ऑफ कॉटन. इसे विहारा बोलते हैं. तो हमारा आयुर्वेदा इज़ बेस्ड ऑन आहारा एंड विहारा, एंड वी आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग अवर सेल्फ ओनली ड्यू टू wrong ahara vihara.
Eating habits, sleeping habits.
We have accepted new. Muslim invaded our country. We saw new. We saw new. We accepted and welcomed them.
Any invasions? Any invasions?
English people, they entered in, we accepted them. So our people, Indian people of any caste and religion, I don't know why they accept anything new first and they leave ancient old traditions, habits. So and so on. Time is important and few things are being highlighted today. We have today worked on few reasons. In next session we will talk about remedial measures. Thank you. Om Shanti.